Justin Gaethje versus Rafael Fiziev. A fight to remember. The battle begins. Imagine standing inside a cage, bright lights shining down, thousands of people screaming your name. In front of you is a dangerous fighter, ready to attack. You know that in the next few minutes, there will be pain, blood, and exhaustion. But you do not step back. You do not run. You fight. This is exactly what happened when Justin Gaethje stepped into the octagon to face Rafael Fiziev. It was not just a fight, it was a war. It was a battle of heart, strength, and determination. When the bell rang, Fiziev attacked first. He was fast, so fast that his punches and kicks came like lightning. Gaethje felt the impact, but he did not stop. He took the hits, stepped forward, and fought back. The crowd roared as both fighters threw punch after punch, kick after kick. Every strike was powerful. Every hit was painful. But neither man gave up. Blood ran down their faces. Sweat dripped from their bodies, but they kept fighting. Then, in the third round, Gaethje saw an opening. He threw a perfect uppercut, bam. Fiziev's head snapped back. The crowd gasped. But Fiziev did not fall. Gaethje attacked again, one punch, two punches, a leg kick. Fiziev staggered, but he refused to go down. When the final horn sounded, both men were still standing. They had given everything. They had shown the world what true warriors look like. The big moment. Who won? The referee called both fighters to the center of the cage. The crowd held its breath. The judges had made their decision, and the winner by unanimous decision. Justin, the highlight, Gaethje. The arena exploded with cheers. Gaethje raised his hands in victory. Fiziev, despite losing, nodded in respect. He had fought like a champion, and everyone knew it. The press conference. What did Gaethje say? After the fight, Gaethje sat in front of reporters. His face was swollen, but he smiled. He had won the fight, but he knew the journey was not over. A reporter asked, "Justin, how do you feel after this fight?" Gaethje nodded. That was a war. Fiziev is tough. He took this fight on short notice, and he gave me everything he had. I respect that. Another reporter asked, "You took a lot of hits, but you kept fighting. Why?" Gaethje smiled. "Because I love it. I love the chaos. I live for these fights. People tell me to fight smarter, but I enjoy the war. That is who I am." Then came the big question. What is next? Do you want a title fight? Gaethje leaned forward. I have fought the best. I have proved myself. If the UFC wants me to fight for the title, I am ready. I want that belt. The press conference ended. But one thing was clear. Justin Gaethje was not done. He had won the fight, but his biggest battle was still ahead. The world was watching. Would he get his title shot? Would he become champion? One thing is certain. When Justin Gaethje steps into the cage, the world stops to watch, and the fight is always unforgettable.